The video is about another malicious website that currently is circulating in the internet. The website is called listenhears.com. listenhears.com. This is the website that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on this allow button, supposedly to help them verify that they are humans and not robots. But to click on allow button would actually forward you to some other junk sites like that. Also, you will start getting the great portion of advertisements that will be displayed as random push notifications. And if you don't want to see these ads permanently on your screen, you should deactivate them urgently. So, access the menu, settings, select privacy and security, choose site settings, go to permissions area and choose notifications. Here you will find some of these websites that are making the mess on your computer. You should deactivate them. So if you find some of these junk sites, click on these related buttons and get rid of them. In order to make sure that your system is free of other possibly hidden threats, I recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its fresh version on the official page combocleaner.com. So, after the program is downloaded and installed, start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.